Hello dear learners, very good morning to all of you. Today we are going to discuss about the leukotriene and its antagonist. In today's lecture, I am going to discuss about the introduction of leukotrienes, biosynthesis of leukotrienes, various type of leukotrienes, function of leukotrienes and its antagonist. Leukotriene antagonist. Leukotrienes are a family of eicosanoid inflammatory mediators produced in leukocytes by the oxidation of arachidonic acid and the essential fatty acid eicosapentaenoic acid by the enzyme arachidonate 5-lipoxygenase. The production of leukotrienes is usually go along with the production of histamine and prostaglandin, which also act as inflammatory mediators. The name leukotriene, introduced by Swedish biochemist Bengt Samuelsson in 1979, comes from the words leukocyte and triene, indicating the compounds have 3 conjugated double bonds. This is the biosynthetic pathway of leukotriene, in which arachidonic acid will convert into 5-hydroxyperoxy eicosapentaenoic acid with the help of 5-lipoxygenase enzyme and 5-lipoxygenase activating protein. This 5-HPET immediately converted into leukotriene A4 with the help of 5-lipoxygenase enzyme. This leukotriene A4 with the help of leukotriene C4 synthase enzyme is converted into leukotriene C4, in which there is a transfer of glutathione to the leukotriene A4. Leukotriene C4 will convert into leukotriene D4 by removing of glutamic acid. So this is the S-cysteine glycine is there, but there is an absence of glutamic acid. So it is called as LT-D4, यानी कि leukotriene D4. This leukotriene D4 will convert into leukotriene A4 by the removing of glycine amino acid. In another pathway, leukotriene A4 will convert into leukotriene B4 with the help of leukotriene A4 hydroxylase enzyme, and there is a hydroxylation of leukotriene A4. This leukotriene B4 will convert into 20-hydroxy leukotriene B4 with the help of leukotriene B4 20-hydroxylase enzyme. This 20-hydroxy leukotriene B4 will convert into 20-carboxyl leukotriene B4 with the help of leukotriene B4 20-carboxylase enzyme, and this hydroxyl group will convert into carboxylic group. Types of leukotrienes: leukotriene A4, leukotriene B4, leukotriene C4, leukotriene D4. What is the difference between the leukotriene C4 and D4? This is the glutamic acid are absent in leukotriene D4. Then leukotriene E4 and leukotriene AF4. The main difference between the leukotriene D4 and leukotriene E4 is that there is an absence of glycine molecules in E4, while the leukotriene F4 and leukotriene C4 having a difference is that in leukotriene C4 glycine is available, while leukotriene F4 there is a glycine amino acid was absent. Cysteine leukotrienes: leukotriene C4, leukotriene D4, leukotriene E4 and leukotriene F4 are often called cysteine leukotrienes due to the presence of the amino acid cysteine in their structure. The cysteine leukotrienes make up the slow reacting substance of anaphylaxis. It is also called as SRSA. Leukotriene F4, like leukotriene D4, is a metabolite of leukotriene C4, but unlike leukotriene D4, which lacks the glutamic residue of glutathione, leukotriene F4 lacks the glycine residue of glutathione. So this is the basic structural difference between the leukotrienes, and already we have discussed in the structures part of leukotriene. Leukotriene B4. Leukotriene B4 is synthesized in vivo from leukotriene A4 by the enzyme leukotriene A4 hydrolase. Its primary function is to recruit neutrophils to areas of tissue damage. Through it also helps promote the production of inflammatory cytokinin by various immune cells. Drugs that block the action of leukotriene B4 have shown some efficacy in slowing the progression of neutrophil mediated disease. Function of leukotrienes. Leukotrienes act principally on subfamily of G protein coupled receptor. They may also act upon peroxisome proliferator activated receptors. Leukotrienes are involved in asthmatic and allergic reaction and act to sustain inflammatory reaction. Several leukotrienes receptor antagonists such as montelukast, gefilukast are used to treat asthma. Recent research points to a role of 5-lipoxygenase in cardiovascular and neuropsychiatric illness. Leukotrienes are very important agent in the inflammatory response. Some agents such as leukotriene B4 have a chemotactic effect on migrating neutrophils and as such help to bring the necessary cells to the tissue. Leukotrienes also have a powerful effect in bronchoconstriction and increased vascular permeability. Leukotriene in asthma, it causes airflow obstruction, increased secretion of mucus, mucosal accumulation, bronchoconstriction, infiltration of inflammatory cells in the airway wall. Leukotrienes in dementia. Leukotrienes are found to play an important role in the later stage of Alzheimer's disease and related dementia in studies with animals. Leukotrienes antagonist and anti-leukotriene, also known as leukotriene modifier and leukotriene receptor antagonist, is a medication which functions as a leukotriene related enzyme inhibitor. Enzyme is arachidonate 5-lipoxygenase, or leukotriene receptor antagonist, and receptor is cysteine leukotriene receptor, and consequently oppose the function of these inflammatory mediators. Leukotriene receptor antagonists such as montelukast, gefilukast, pranoloukast and 5-lipoxygenase inhibitors like xylitol and hypericum perforatum can be used to treat this disease. They are less effective than corticosteroid for treating asthma, but more effective for treating certain mast cell disorders. Agents such as montelukast and gefilukast block the action of cysteine leukotrienes at the cyst leukotriene 1 receptor on target cells such as bronchial smooth muscle via receptor antagonism. These modifiers have been shown to improve asthma symptoms, reduce asthma exacerbation and limit markers of inflammation such as eosinophil counts in the peripheral blood and bronchoalveolar lavage fluid. This demonstrates that they have anti-inflammatory properties. This is the structure of various leukotriene antagonists, and example is that montelukast, gefilukast, pranoloukast and xylitol. Thank you.